So this is our errand for the day. We're getting ready and set up, and look who is with us. Okay. Of course.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So in today's episode, we're going to just have a little talk about certain things, aspects of Jamaica. So Jamaica, on the grand scheme of things, is a really small place with a little bit over 10,000 square kilometers. And then when you have a think about in terms of its population compared to countries that are similar in size, it's quite a small country with just almost 3 million people living on the island. So it's not that big on the grand scheme, but when you're actually on the island, you realize that it is quite a big place to travel and to get around, and it's also a large population of people, because there are going to be people that you don't know, although people seem to think that you should know everybody or everybody knows you. And one of the things that, frankly, at my age, that I've never done before, and I've gotten the opportunity to do so. So we had to go on a trip, leaving from the south coast of Jamaica. We had to go through, driving all the way up to the north coast, to go and do for some business project that we were needing to undertake. And then we had to go back west, all in the one day, to go and do another project that we needed to go and just be involved in. And it was quite a long day, tiring day, starting out really early and ending rather late. And so it helps to remind me of how big a place that Jamaica is, and a large playground that you can keep exploring, discovering and finding out new places and new things. And quite frankly, it's really no surprise to me that I haven't gone to this place before in Jamaica, and even though it's such a popular playground for many. However, not on the conditions that I would have wanted to, but I still got the opportunity to visit it. So I'm going to just show you some footage of that day and how everything went, and just to give you a look at Jamaica in its regal beauty, really, and help you to see some of the little quaint things that you can get up to in Jamaica that can be so meaningful and such an experience when you're doing it with others, or even if you're doing it on your own. And so I just wanted to share these experiences that we were having on that day. So here goes the footage for you now. We're at a dumpling shop, getting a quick run over breakfast.
I'm waiting to be served. I'm going to call it.
You park in I'm on
don't have any calculation.
right now I'm on driveway.
Wait, no, you come back on the dumplings?
Hello, Miss, don't do that to me. I don't like you because you love Italian. You know what I mean? Italian means
Have free therapy so early in the morning.
Hi,
Yeah, Jamaica.
no, I'm back. Can I have 4 dumplings with 2 pieces of sausage and 2 dumplings with no sausage? Yes, guys. Can I see your food? Can I video your food? I want to see it.
Infamous Jamaican sausage and dumpling. Oh, that is so nice. Aye, you gotta taste it now. You gotta taste it. You see some of the sausage.
I have fritters. We get fritters.
I don't want to eat down Friday because I love young girl. Young girl can't wine for me.
They want 4 dumplings.
You buy dumpling every morning?
Not every morning.
What do you like about the dumpling?
Just have the salt and the salt.
That's not good for your pressure. Boy, I love the sausage. That's why I like it. She's gonna bring it. You're gonna get to see it. What we're going crazy about. Like it. It's just the peanut butter. So guys,
So what do you have with your?
you have to come and understand. In Jamaica, this is what we go crazy about. This is like the onion and the escovitch. Look at that. Oh my God, this is like.
Say before dumpling.
When you're in England, it's really cold. You need to come and get some saltfish and dumplings.
Baby, 3 finger dumplings.
Thank you. This is me now. How much is that? This is your dumpling.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, black
Also,
Say before dumpling.
Yeah, but I'm going to be carrying me.
Yeah, me a black up in Java, soon come call.
Every time I try to do this, I can't get it right. So I don't know. Do you boil this up? Do you boil it?
Soak you overnight.
What's your shop called, ma'am?
She's a YouTube blogger.
Oh, she's a YouTube blogger.
How much is it?
520.
520.
So this is in Newmarket, and your shop
This
is
is Dasa shop.
Dasa.
Negril shop.
Everybody knows. Hi London, I am in Jamaica and I'm eating fried dumpling and sausage. And guys, let me tell you,
She couldn't wait to get here. If only that woman had ever run out. I don't know how she would cope. So we're in Newmarket and it's Dasa. You can get her breakfast. And I'm going to try and see what it tastes like now. Saltfish free. This is what mine looks like. And I'm going to tuck in.
I tell my taste. It's nice, no?
Which is nice.
Dumpling is nice.
Hot.
Fresh. Nice. Just some sugar and water now.
My mom's style of dumpling almost.
I can't make it that. Don't get it. There's a particular art.
It's actually very pristine.
Ooh, like the bird. Yeah, the bird.
Yeah.
Rainforest. Is it rainforest?
Yeah.
I didn't know Jamaica had rainforest until I went to England.
Oh wow. And you live in one of the parish that have quite a bit.
I did that. So tranquil.
Wait, Jamaica has the largest rainforest in the Caribbean.
I think people like to drive through here because it's just so, it's not as busy and it's calming. The streets are so tall.
And this reminds you of when you're in the UK and you're driving down some country lane, narrow roads, and you have to pull over into the corner to let the other person pass. The only thing missing is the horses that sometimes are on the street.
But why is there a lot of horses? Did you see that?
The seas in view.
Montego Bay has changed so much. It's a bit like Miami now.
So this is our errand for the day. We're getting ready and set up, and look who is with us. Okay. Of course, if you haven't got out to watch it yet, then support him by going out and watching the Bob Marley story, and you'll see him in action. I know, it's not even showing. So this is our setup for the day.
This is nice.
We're going to get working.
Can't beg him taking pictures for us. This is nice.
Just the three of you?
No, well, my Bob Marley star over there didn't want him. Tell around England we left you. Tell around that we're here because of the JIS. Me and my friend with the JIS think tank. In England, no BBC not invite me to this.
Yes, we are.
Free country, free life, free creation. Look at that. Oh, we're trying to get a picture. Yes, so behind the backdrop. Somebody take it for us. Yes.
So we're busy going to get some work done. Version of Holland Bamboo.
Heading to Negril. Oh, this is beautiful.
Very much so.
Wow. Remind me of Dark Ages in Northern Ireland. Where Games of Thrones are shot.
And on one side it's trial, and on the other side,
Trial again.
is it? On both sides, wow.
Of course.
Oh my goodness. We have to do the other end. We were passing by and we had to literally pull over on the motorway to come and have a look at this. Look at that lake and the landscape behind it. Wow, this is majestic. This is Jamaica in some of its glory. Gorgeous lake. And I don't think that the camera is doing it any justice. It's just such a serene environment. You just want to sit back and just look at it and take it in. If you can see all the way over there beyond those cliffs, that's the sea, and then this bit here is like an inlet and there is a lake there. It's just so majestic. Awesome. Finally, this is Negril, and that's, look at that water lapping up against the sidewalk, or the sides of the shore rather. This beautiful estate like this. Wow. Look at that bit over there. Now the wall is there, but the water still manages to make its way out like that. I'm just going to try and go as far out as I can. Around it's just private estate. Otherwise, this is my first time ever coming to Negril. I have never put foot on Negril shores before, to my knowledge, and I think it's safe to say that the waters are welcoming me. Look at that. The seas are a bit rough at the moment, but it is so good to finally come and see Negril. I mean, this section that we're at is not the smooth seashore, but it is awesome. Look at that magnificent, tranquil look. Even with the waves coming in like this, it's still gorgeous. Wow. But I have done it. That, my friend, is a chance of seeing Negril. We've driven through the town and we've come out to the west end and just chillaxing and finding our way. And all of these rocks that you can see I'm walking on, you can see the coral in them. It's just so beautiful. Okay, and we're at the famous borders that you hear about all the time. And we're coming to test out the fish and bang that we hear so much about. Eh? No, but it's okay. So we're going to see what it's like. In the water, sitting behind. And it looks nice. Look at that in the night, glistening. Wow, so lovely. With over there you can see the villas, and all that stretch behind there is just villas. The water just comes up here at the shore. See how close that is to the road. All that, so beautiful.
It's 7,000 for all of it.
Those are lovely. And what's your name?
My name is Grace.
So when you come by to Borders,
Look
ask for Auntie Grace,
Yes, so all these
and
lovely
then
fried
you will
fish,
see.
freshly cooked.
Look at that, so nicely presented, colorful.
Snapper and parrot.
Yeah, this is the place to be.
Yeah. Money's fooling me. Oh my God, money's always fooling me. Yes.
And this is Opal's.
Oh, she does vlogging on YouTube. She's taking content. I want lots of onions and pepper.
Alright, no problem. What you going to do?
Eat my fish in the car. So I started off with dumpling and sawfish this morning, and I'm ending the night with just fish. I wanted bami, but they haven't got any, so unfortunately that's bad.
Yep.
Give me some tiny fish, I know. I tell you, that's so wicked. Oh God, that's so small. Tell me that's good. You don't need so much fish. Give me one proper size. You don't need so much fish, can you?
This is fine for me.
Yeah. It's the only time I eat fish head when it's fried. Only time. What's your name? So I come back to after Rory. That's why I do business. If it's certain way, I come back and look for you.
Rory is your girl, right?
It's busy. And this is mild tonight, I've been told, to what it normally is. So what we're having for dinner?
Tacos.
So what you're going to use for the filling?
Well, for me, I'm going to make minced beef. We
Okay.
couldn't find any minced chicken, so for you, I made callaloo.
Okay then. Is that what we're going to have? Okay. So once you finish your dawn regulation time, you're going to go prep it? Okay. Well, I'm looking forward to that then.
Okay.
So how long do you think it's going to be? About 45 minutes or so?
I'm not sure,
Okay.
but it should be done by dinner time.
Well, I'm looking forward to that. Haven't had that in a while. So we'll see. What, you couldn't go to Taco Bell, so you're bringing it to you? Okay, then that's fine. It goes like that sometimes. So I'll see you when it's dinner time then. You'll call me?
Okay.
Okay, and let us know if you need any assistance. If the chef will need any assistance. I'll see you then. Eliona, what's this creation?
Tacos.
So what's the filling?
Beef, your favorite.
Okay, it looks mouth-watering, by the way.
You want some?
No, thank you. But it looks quite nice. And what's this in the content? Ah, so that's your salad to go with it. It looks really good. Thank you so much for staying with us on this episode of Life with the Jam Fams. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. So bye for now.